lesson, we'll be multiplying a polynomial by a monomial. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to find the product of a polynomial and a monomial and solve equations involving polynomials. So if we want to do the horizontal method, we're just going to multiply using the distributive property. So 2t squared times 3t is 6t cubed, and 2t squared times 6 is 12t squared. The vertical method is exactly the same thing. It's just kind of set up the way we would do multi-digit multiplication. So like they're two-digit numbers. The box method is when we take multiply each number in the row by each number in the column. So for example, we have negative 3y times 5y plus 2. So on my horizontal method, I would do negative 15y squared, and then this is minus 6y. For this one, I would do negative 3y times 2 would be negative 6y, and 3y times 5y would be negative 15y squared. In the box method, we'll just take this number times this one, which would be 15y squared, and then this one times this one, which would be minus 6y. Same thing here, 15y squared minus 6y. So this one, horizontal, t times 5t is 5t squared. T times negative 9 is minus 9t minus 2t. So when I simplify these two, combining like terms, I get 5t squared minus 11t. Same thing with this one, minus 9t, and here 5t squared. Combine like terms, 5t squared minus 11t. Box method, this one times this one is 5t squared. This one times this one is minus 9t. Combine like terms. Or you can do it this way, 5t squared minus 9t, both get 5t squared minus 11t. Again, doing our distributive property, 24y to the third minus 54y squared minus 42y. Same thing here, 42y, 54y squared, and 24y cubed. In the boxes, 24y cubed, 54y squared, 42y. Even longer one, so this is negative 10a cubed b squared minus 25 a to the fourth b squared minus 5 a to the third b to the third minus 5 a to the sixth b. Same answer when you do it vertically. Solving the equation, so first thing we have to do is distribute. So negative 2w minus 2 plus w equals 7 minus 4w. Combining like terms, this one and this one gets me negative w minus 2 equals 7 minus 4w. I'm going to add 4w to both sides. And that gets me 3w minus 2 equals 7. I'm going to add 2 to both sides. I get 3w equals 9. Divide both sides by 3, and w equals 3. The length, width, and height of the box are x, 2x, and 3x minus 5, respectively. Write a polynomial that represents its volume. So that means I've got to take length times width times height. So I'm going to multiply x times 2x times 3x minus 5. So I'll multiply these two first. That gets me 2x squared times 3x minus 5. This gets me 6x to the third minus 10x squared. What are the three methods to multiply a monomial by a polynomial? So we got the horizontal, the vertical, and the box. Which method uses the distributive property? That's the horizontal.